Hey guys, it's Chris over at Ace Vacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to check out all of our how-to videos. Today we're going to talk about a couple of our bagless vacuums that we carry. We sell primarily a lot of bagged uprights, canisters, backpacks, handheld, little vacuums, but we do carry a few bagless vacuums. The reason why we carry a majority of all bagged vacuums is because they're a self-sealed system. They're better on filtration, air quality, HEPA filtration, all that type of stuff. But behind me is a few of the bagless vacuums that we carry. We have a few more on our website, which you can see at www.acevacuums.com. But today we're just going to talk about a few that I got selected here today. These are probably some of our best sellers, so we're going to go over them, okay? The first one we're going to go over, this is our Shark. This is a Shark Navigator upright. It has good suction. It has dual filters, so you get a pre-filter in here, as well as your main HEPA filter, so it is really good in that regards. This is a 2-speed system, meaning you have 1 speed for your carpet, which is your high-power deep cleaning, and then you have a lower speed, which is going to be directly for your hardwood floors. You have all the tools and attachments on board, so this is a great little unit right here that we sell a lot of. The second one, this is going to be our Shark Duo Clean Lift Away. This has a microfiber brush roller in the front and then your main roller in the back for your carpet. This is a good machine because it works really, really good on all floor surfaces, from your hardwood floors, tile, linoleum, laminate flooring, as well as all carpeting type. The cool thing about this is a complete lift away, meaning this whole top will detach from your bed here, so that way if you have lots of steps in your home, it's easier to clean steps because you don't have to lug the big upright around, which is a really, really nice feature. Again, this also has all the onboard tools and a low and high speed for carpet and area rugs. The next we're going to talk about is the Miele Triflex. There's 4 different models. The 2 models that I'm showing here today is the Hx1 Pro and the Miele Home Care. These both have the same exact warranties. They're really good warranties. 3 years. It covers the majority of all the parts, labor, and the mechanics of the machine. It is a dust canister vacuum. This has a 60-minute run life on the battery. This auto adjusts to whatever you're on. So unlike the Sharks, this one will auto detect if you're on carpet and auto detect if you're on hardwood floors. So it's a really, really nice feature. On the bottom here, these plates, this side plate will open up, allowing you to pull the whole roller out, cleaning the roller very easily and putting it back in the system. It's a 3-in-1 system, meaning the whole thing will break down into a handheld vacuum. So this will detach, and then this whole body here will detach from the power head. You can put this directly on the machine, allowing you to have it as a canister or as a handheld vacuum, which is really nice. It does come with your 3 major tools: dusting brush, crevice tool, and upholstery tool. This is basically a complete home vacuum. It does everything in your home. Very good warranty. We offer service plans on all of our Miele's. Very good vacuums. The Hx1 Pro is a little bit different because it comes with an additional batteries. These, unlike the Dysons, easily pop off and pop back in. So if you have a large square footage in your home and you do a lot of vacuuming, it's nice to have that additional battery and easy to get to and replace. The last one we're going to talk about is the Ricard. This is a stick vacuum solely for hardwood floors. So if you're somebody that has all hardwood floors, or if you're looking for a vacuum to do like those Persian rugs, Oriental rugs, where you can't have the roller spinning on them because the fibers are very delicate, this is a good vacuum for you. It has great suction. This also does convert into a handheld as well. It has a 2-speed for high and low suction. Bagless, very good vacuum. It's got a good little warranty on it, very good priced, good vacuum. Ricard makes an excellent vacuum. If you have any questions about any of these vacuums or anything that we have on our website, give us a call at 703-997-9292. You can call us at either Fairfax or Leesburg. We hope to hear from you guys, and you guys have a great weekend and hope to hear from you. Have a great day. Again, this is Chris at Ace Vacuums.